everybody. It's Kimberly Bean with the Southern Maryland Real Estate Network, and today is Mortgage Monday, and our special guest today is Billy Saunders, who is a Senior Loan Officer with First Mariner Mortgage. So thank you for being with us today, Billy, and I was hoping you could tell everybody a little bit about yourself and about First Mariner Mortgage.
Well, first, thanks for having me, Kim. It's always exciting for me to have the opportunity to do this with you, so this is outstanding. Again, my name is Bill Saunders, and I am a Senior Mortgage Loan Officer with First Mariner Mortgage. A little bit about First Mariner. We're a Maryland-based mortgage bank. We're a federally chartered bank, which means that we're licensed to operate in all 50 states. And more importantly, again, we're Maryland-based. Our headquarters are in Baltimore, Maryland, and we're really excited about our production levels this year. Here we are now in December, and we've already closed $1.5 billion. That's billion with a B. Billion with a B dollars in mortgage transactions this year alone. So awesome. We're having a banner year, and we're really excited about the upcoming prospects of the amount of business that's available for first-time home buyers and homeowners in Southern Maryland.
Excellent. And how long have you been doing this for?
I've been in the mortgage banking industry for 13 years.
Wow.
It's been a long road, long haul over the last 13 years. I've seen a little bit of everything with the housing market crashing and everything else. So I call myself a survivor. So we've managed to get through the highs and the lows, and we're excited about what kind of products and where the housing industry is going this year.
The reason why I asked Billy on for our segment today was we wanted to ask you a little bit about the process of getting pre-qualified for your first home mortgage. And I was hoping first that you could tell us what the benefits are of getting pre-qualified.
Well, the initial benefit really is if you're serious about buying a house and you want to go out with a real estate agent and look at homes, no realtor in the industry is going to take you out and show you properties unless you've been pre-qualified by a mortgage banker. So that's the first step. You really need to do that if you're serious about wanting to go out and look at homes. The other reason is the obvious. What can I qualify for? How much house can I afford? How much house can I buy? Those are the real things.
And we had talked a little bit earlier about that difference between what you can be qualified for versus what you can actually afford.
That's right. I've seen it happen too many times where I've had clients that have come to me that have worked with other mortgage lenders, and what happens is they show up on my doorstep or at my office, and they say, "Man, we were out looking for 3 months at $400,000 houses, and we never once asked." What's the payment on that $400,000 house? And then they find out through my process that they're more interested in a comfort level of, say, a mortgage payment that would equate to a $300,000 house. And now having gone from looking at $400,000 homes to $300,000 homes.
And that's kind of a difference.
Yeah, it can be a little bit of a disappointment. So it's important for us to find all this out up front, and that's why the pre-qualification process is probably the most important process in the entire.
Okay, so I'm going to ask you now if you can explain to us a little bit about how somebody goes through that, and really how soon before they're going to look for a home should they actually start this process.
It's a great question. I would advise anybody who's interested in becoming a homeowner to start the process the second the idea comes into their mind. Find out what they need to know up front beforehand. You don't want to wait until you need to buy a house or you have to buy a house, or you say your lease is running up on your rental property. Start early. Don't wait until the last minute. Sit down with a professional such as myself. Go through the free credit analysis part of the process. There's going to be about 10 to 12 questions, a series of 10 to 12 questions that I'm going to ask of you. And I always say it's probably the easiest part of the process is sitting down with me across the desk from me, or on the phone even, if it's even easier for you, and asking you those 10 to 12 pieces of information. Real simple stuff. Name, address, social security number, your employment history, where do you work, how long have you been there, how much money do you make. All of this little bit of information is going to give me an idea as to what I can do to help you to qualify to buy a house, and then we can get you on that road to starting.
Excellent. And you can help these people pull their credit score, correct?
Correct, absolutely.
What they can...
We pull what's called a tri-merge credit report.
Okay.
Pulls from all 3 credit bureaus, TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian, and then I can give you that credit analysis. If there's room for improvement, we can help you get to that point, and then we can kind of get you off on your way.
Oh, that's awesome. Well, that's great information to get from you, Billy, today, and I thank so much for sharing that information with us. And if you're interested in getting pre-qualified for your first home, I encourage you to give Billy a call. His cell phone, I've said before, is attached to his hip, so give him a call at 301-440-9102. I'll also put your contact information below this video so people can find it, because I'm sure that there's a lot of questions in this process, and you can help give them the answers that they need and the information that they need for this. So thanks again for being with us.
Terrific. Thank you very much, Kim.
For more Southern Maryland real estate videos and information, visit our website at somdrealestatenetwork.com.